Hi viewers, today I want to come with a new topic is memory. So today's topic is that the meaning and the power of smell. So today the topic is based on the smell. So there are many things that we can know today. That smell is a big fact by which people can become familiar with each other. The first one, I will tell you that if a new baby born, then if you give another mother, another person for breeding, for feeding milk, then it will not take it. Why? Because when it can already take the smell of mother. For this reason, they can easily identify who is it, as that is the first example that I can give you. So you can know that the smelling is a big power which is also have the human. Why? The person means the dog has a deep smelling power. Some persons tell that, but they cannot remember it. Whose smell is it? But human can. So, as for an example, that can I tell you that now you are very interesting. Then you are very happy, but is one of the smell came, which you take in a sad time. You will also become so much sad when you will wow when you will smell this bad moment time. But when you are so much sad, then a smell which come, what did come in your sad time, make your mind fresh. So smelling is a big fact. The human can memorize many smell like that, which is very nice and glorious. When I take at this kind of moment, this smell, then I think that I have to make my vlog. Am I right? So you can know about that. Many things in the world are based on the smell. From the family, all the family people can understand which kind of smell may come there. So draw that the smell is a big fact on them. Many of the person like a lot. What can I give you example? Because it is an example. So people can memorize a lot of smell. Actually, people memorized about 2 or 3,000 smell which he take in the whole life. And I hope that many of the smell, such as so do that in some of the animal that there is a deep power of smell, such as cat. But cat is mostly based on the sound. If you pet a cat, then there is a milk can. When you open that, then if it see for some days, after some days, when you will crack that, then it will come. It's very simple things, smell and sound. But the real meaning of smell is that to make it familiar. If in your home it's made biryani, but if there is no smell, then how will you understand? So the smell depends on a lot of things. The smell may be good, may be bad. So let's know about some deep smelling animal, such as the dog. In the first one, that is dog. In the second one, tiger. And also many kind of wildlife animal take a deep smell that is impossible. But we cannot. But we are familiar. If a dog take the smell of its owner, then it become happy that now he will give me food. He become happy. So all in the sequence of the world are based on on the smell. So how many of you also can understand? Do you know that when there is a lot of females and dressed up with the same dress, and then it's any person may be your mother. Then, if you get the real smell, where the smell coming from, or you can, if you touch the hand, then you can understand it's my mother. Why? Because the smelling power of you, the touching power of you are telling that it's your mother. So many examples that can I tell you. God has given to many animals also. So you know that mostly another animal has another power. So as that own, each human has its power. The dog has the power of smell. The human has the deep brain that they have discovered a lot of things day by day. If a gorilla can make a resolution, a motorbike, no, only human can make. Why? They have extraordinary brain, which is very uncommon, right? So I hope smelling is also called as our imagination. Not imagination, our data collector is the smelling. Now, if the food is fully covered with a jar, then you smell that. Then you can understand who is food it. It's a simple matter. But if there is no smell, then you tell to your parents, are you giving me empty plate? So this is the matter of the smell. Smell depends on a lot of things. It affect on emotion. It can also affect on your. So let's know about more deeply about smell. Smell is actually the fragrant or aroma, or also you can also tell that odor. So that all the people can also smell the food very well. If they doesn't eat the so much what can I tell you hard things, but they can smell it because smelling power is a big fact. Do you know that I have gotten a plant when you will break the leaf of this plant, then it's make a fragrant like wow. What can I tell you? Like a very deep lemon juice, which is very uncommon. How many of you has yet smelled that? Please comment me. So there is a many kind of smelling, such as the social smelling. So if one of the person bind your eyes, you go to a place in a hospital, then you can easily understand it's a hospital because the smell of blood. So there is many things fact like that. When you smell, then you remember. Do you know that if you make another spell on a question, then at one of the time you understand in the exam hall. This smell I take when I study. So this is the can be the question. So many questions like that you can understand by smelling. So how many smelling can be? Social, place. It can also become in the dividing of place, food, and environmental, and feelings, sad moment, funny moment, interesting moment, visiting moment. So this all the moment depend on a smell, so that you can remember this same day for long times. Do that there is a tree which I like most in my home, which is there. In every spring, the smell come. Sometime when I go to another place, then if I get the same smell, I remember my home because it's my memory interest that we can easily understand that it happened on those time. So this sequence of the time that the smell remember us is called the real meaning of smell. So now I think you have also understand about the smell. So is it good? Please comment me. So a smell can become social, such as if you become familiar of a person, if the same fragrance from his body come, then it is the person who you remember. So a smell can remember, our smelling power can remember all of the things. If a person make a lot of fruit cutted, then bind your eyes, then you can easily understand which fruit is it. Lemon, beautiful fragrant. Mango, fragrant. Some of the fruit has not fragrance, such as watermelon. I doesn't get any fragrance from that. Do you? I only get a little sweetly fragrant from it. But we don't know. But I don't know why I don't get. So if you know, please comment me. So by that all way, which is your favorite food? What do you like to smell? And where are you from? Please comment me. Then I can understand from which country my talking is listening. Please comment me that I can understand. So this was the matter of today. So how many person can take smell? Baby from die can take the smell. Means to breath from die. So this is the timeline of a smell. When you are alive, then a smell will become alive. So all the things in the world is dependent on the smell. So in the sad moment, try to smell good things. Ice cream. If there is any favorite food of you, also take the smell. So I have make a shot from here, but it go there because I cannot play well. But I only try to do that. Is the shot as well. So this was the topic today. So if you want to get more vlogs like that, follow my YouTube channel. So you know that in the YouTube channel there are a lot of kind of things like that. Biology, geography, district discrimination, and a lot. Test classes also. But I have made the 10th class a long time ago. So this is the matter today. Subscribe my channel, then I become more motivated. Because I make the vlog every day to motivate, to make me inspire on that. But if you don't inspire me, then I become sad. So subscribe. By the way, bye. See you next vlog.